In today's video, we will be checking out this restaurant that has been serving patrons for over 4 decades here in Sungai Petani. We actually found this restaurant on Google Maps as we were looking for a place to have lunch, and it was the name that caught my attention. Thanks Google Maps. Wow, I really like the old school decor here as it reminds me of my high school days eating at fast food restaurants back in the mid-90s. Such nostalgia. So let's have a look at the menu. They have quite a variety here with local and western cuisines, but of course we are going to try out their signature fried chicken. Since the mashed potatoes came first, we'll start with this. And then fish and chips. I was informed by one of the staff, this outlet was opened 43 years ago. It even preceded the first McDonald's outlet in Malaysia, which was opened in 1982. That really tells you something about this place. And now here comes the McDota Fried Chicken. Let's give it a go. I'll tell you what, this is no KFC, but this fried chicken is equally finger-licking good. No wonder they are still going strong here. And we capped it off with ice cream for dessert.